An Institutional Review Board, or IRB, is an independent committee that provides ethical oversight of research to ensure that the risks and benefits of participating in the research are reasonable. Research that is subject to FDA regulations or the common rule is required to have IRB review. Certain U.S. regulations govern IRBs and how they function. IRBs review all types of research, from simple survey studies to complex oncology trials. It's important to work with an IRB with the right expertise for a given trial. This ensures knowledgeable people review the study with an understanding of the condition and latest discoveries. Proper expertise also saves time, reducing back and forth clarification questions between the IRB and researchers. With a network of over 150 experts coast to coast, Advarra provides thorough, knowledgeable reviews for all major therapeutic areas and research phases. An IRB's membership roster must be diverse to properly review the research and advocate for participants. An IRB must include at least one scientist and one non-scientist, as well as at least one community member not affiliated with the IRB. If an IRB member has a conflict of interest with a project under review, that member may not vote on the project. Before a clinical trial can begin, the IRB reviews all study materials to confirm they meet regulatory requirements, including recruitment materials and informed consent forms. The IRB is charged with ensuring risks are minimized for participants, and the risk-benefit ratio is appropriate for the study and its participants. IRB members must make sure participants can understand what is expected of them in the study. They may recommend changing some things to increase benefits, reduce risks, improve comprehension, and avoid potentially misleading language. The IRB also makes sure participants' confidentiality and privacy are protected. An IRB can only approve a study for 1 year at most. For studies lasting longer, the IRB will typically review the study at least annually. Or the IRB may decide to review it more often than once a year. Changes in research must be reported promptly to the IRB. If it could impact someone's ongoing participation in the study, the IRB should know about it. Unexpected events must also be reported promptly. This includes unanticipated problems involving risk to participants and others, as well as serious or continuing noncompliance and unanticipated device effects. Review turnaround times are important since research cannot begin without IRB approval. As an independent IRB, Advarra has the staff, processes, and technology dedicated to ensuring responsive service and efficient review without compromising quality. As the research community's preferred independent IRB, Advarra is helping make research safer, smarter, and faster. Want to learn more? Get started at advarra.com.